السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Quantitative Methods in Accounting section, third year, section number 1. In this section, we will cover some exercise related to the linear equation. Linear equation y equal a plus bx, where y is the dependent variable, x is the independent variable, a is the intercept term. When x equals 0, y equal a. b is the slope of the line. In order to solve any problem or any exercise, we start with the slope. We start with the value of the slope. How to get the slope? Slope is the value of b is calculated by dividing the changes in the values of y by the changes in the values of x. So, slope equal y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So, when we have 2 points or 2 coordinates and we want to know the formula of the line that goes through these 2 lines or 2 coordinates, we must to start with the slope. Let us see this example. Use the slope formula to find the slope of the line that goes through the points or 2 coordinates 2, 4, 6, and 8. Step number 1 here, or the starting point here, to identify the values of x1, x2, and y1, y2. Why? To calculate the slope. x1 here 2 equal 2, x2 equal 6, y1 equal 4, and y2 equal 8. Step number 2, find the slope. Slope, as we mentioned, changes equal changes in y divided by changes in x, equal y1 minus y2 divided by x2 minus x1. So the slope equal 8 minus 4 divided by 6 minus 2 equal 4 over 4 equal 1. So the value of b or the slope equal 1. Then we will use this value, which is the value of b, to substituting in the equation to find the equation that go through the 2 coordinates or 2 points. Step number 3. Step number 3 here, we will substituting by the value of b, which is the slope, in the equation. Our linear equation y equal a plus bx, while b equal 1. By using any of 2 coordinates or 2 points given in the example, you can substituting in the equation and find the equation which goes through the 2 points or the 2 coordinates. b1 equal 1. Let us take the point 1, x2, y4. So, by substituting in the equation, 4 equal a plus 2. So the value of a equal 2. Hence the equation will be y equal 2 plus x. Example number 2. Find the equation of the line that goes through the following 2 coordinates. 10, minus 10, minus 10, and 30. Step 1, as we mentioned in the last exercise, identify the values of x1, x2, and y1, y2. For the 2 coordinates, 10 minus 10, and minus 10 and 30. x1 equal 10, x2 equal minus 10, y1 equal minus 10, y2 equal 30. The second step, or step number 2, to find the slope or the value of b. As we mentioned before, the slope equal changes in y divided by the changes in x. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So the slope equal 30 minus 10 divided by minus 10 minus 10 equal 40 divided by minus 20 equal minus 2. So b, which is the value of the slope, equal minus 2. We will get this value and substituting in the equation. So step number 3, substituting the value of b and choose any of the two coordinates which are given in the example to substituting in the linear equation to find our equation that goes through the two coordinates or go through the 2 points. We get the value of b equal minus 2, y equal minus 10, x equal 10. So minus 10 equal a, minus 2 multiplied by 10. So a equal 10, hence the equation will be y equal 10 minus 2x. Example number 3. Find the equation of the line that goes through the following coordinates. We have some coordinates: price 2, quantity demand 18, price when price equal 4, quantity demand 14, when price equal 6, quantity demand 10, when price equal 8, quantity demand 6. And we must to find the equation that goes through any of two coordinates or 2 points of this 4 point. We can use any 2 points. Let us start using point number 1 and 2, 18 and 2 and 14 and 4. We will start by the step number 1, identifying the value of x1, x2, y1, y2. x1 equal 18, x2 equal 14, y1 equal 2, y2 equal 4. Step number 2, the slope. How to find the slope? As we said before, changes y and divided by changes in x, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So the slope equal 4 minus 1 divided by 14 minus 18 equal 2 over minus 4 equal minus 0.5. So the slope, which is a b value, equal minus 0.5. Step number 3, which is the last step in our example, substituting the value of b in the equation. Y equal a plus bx, we get b by calculating the slope equal minus 0.5. We have y value equal 2, x equal 18. We can use any point in the schedule which given in the exam. We can use any point. The same result will be reached by using any of the coordinates or the points provided in the example. So 2 equal a minus 0.5 multiplied by 18, so equal a equal 11. Hence the equation will be y equal 11 minus 0.5. We can change y by the value of p, which is the price, and x by the quantity demand QD, which is as given in the example. So all example or all exercise using the same steps to reach the linear equation. We start by identifying the values of y1, 2, y2, x1, x2. Then we calculate or find the slope, which is changes in the values of y divided by the changes in the value of x. Then we substituting the p-value in the equation by using any of the given coordinates or point that the lines goes through it.